Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2018 on a 68 plate Renault Captur Energy Iconic. This is the 0.9 turbocharged petrol with a 5-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in Arctic white metallic with the diamond black roof and mirror caps, and it's covered just 41,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around with this superb looking Renault Captur, finished in this fabulous Arctic white metallic. So it's sort of a white silver sort of colour, really nice glisten to it with the black as well, and the diamond cut alloy wheels. It's a lovely contrast. 41,000 miles. It's had just 2 owners from new, December 2018 registered. We've got these really nice 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels that are in excellent shape all round. Good service history as well, 5 services right the way through its life, so properly well maintained. Ever so popular, these Capturs with us, one of our most popular small SUVs actually. If you follow our page, we get through an awful lot of these. They've got a nice high driving position, really well specified, economical running costs as well. It's £190 a year to tax. It's a low insurance group, good fuel consumption, so they just tick an awful lot of boxes if you're looking for a car with a slightly raised seating position but not massive. Good spec on this Iconic model as well. So you've got keyless entry. It does come supplied with 2 remote keys. Seats all in really good shape. You've got this contrasting dark and light interior, leather centre armrest. Door cards are all in really good shape. 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable door mirrors. It's got its original mats. Start-stop facility which you can switch off. Up onto the steering wheel, which is in really good shape. You've got controls for your cruise control. You've got automatic lights. Down below you've got your Bluetooth controls. 41,800 miles as it sits with us. Down below we've got a couple of cup holders, a manual handbrake, cruise control with a speed limiter. You've got an eco button, 5-speed manual gearbox. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks. Down below we've got a 12-volt socket, your keycard slot, and it's a push-button start as well. Some storage up at the top. We'll turn the radio down, we don't want to be listening to TalkSport, do we? Air conditioning, it's climatic air conditioning, and then up above you've got USB, you've got an auxiliary input, and then we've got satellite navigation which is built in. There we go. And you've got DAB digital radio, you've got Bluetooth for your telephone as well, so it's a nice straightforward, easy to use setup. Just a nice place to be honest. Like I say, you're nice and high up off the ground, big windows, loads of headroom. Into the rear again you've got your carpet mats, electric windows in the back, 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts, ISOFIX for the child seats as well. Parking sensors across the rear bumper. And then into the boot space. Split folding rear seats. Parcel shelf of course, and then you've got this excellent boot space, so you've got a flat load level at the top. This lifts out to give you more space down below. And then underneath you've got your inflation kit and so on. So there we have it. December 2018 Renault Captur Energy Iconic. It's the petrol with a 5-speed manual gearbox in this magnificent Arctic white. 41,000 miles from 2 owners with a full service history. Nice spec with the cruise control, sat-nav, parking sensors and so on. Finance is available from less than £180 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT. We're also going to be replacing the clutch on the car, along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. We do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, please have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Always so popular with us, these Capturs, nice price range, bit of stock, I think this will be snapped up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.